up, guys? I am back with another video, and this is me dancing looking like a retard. So I'm just gonna brush out my hair and pin it back a little bit because yeah, it's just in the way basically. And if you guys didn't know, I will be posting a video about my hair. I know everybody's like, oh my god, her hair is so different, it's not big and curly. So I'm gonna start off with some Cetaphil. Wash your face with it very well. It works really good. And then I go in with this oil-free Neutrogena moisturizer. It works really well. It's really smooth. And I just apply that all over my face. And yeah. And then I'm going to go in with some Carmex because I don't like for my lips to look dry while I'm doing my makeup. So, yep. So first things first, we are going to do our brows. Yes. So I go in with this e.l.f. brow wiz thing. Not sure what it's called, but it's in the pan. Like, I need a new one. And then I go in with the angle brush. And you guys know how this goes. If you do your eyebrows, just literally follow the lines. That's all you have to do. And I am actually going to do them off camera because no. And then I go in with this pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. It works really well. It has a spoolie at the end, and I just brush out my eyebrows just a little bit, just fix them, and then I fill them in. The reason why I want to fill them in with a pencil is because it just makes them look a little bit darker because my hair is dark, and the e.l.f. Cosmetics thing, it's kind of like brownish, so that's why I like to go in with black. And then I go in with my Tarte concealer in the shade Medium Tan Sand. And I take my concealer brush and I start to conceal those brows, girl. And then I go in with one of these sponges, and then I just blend it out. I try to go downwards kinda because I want to like, I don't know, you just don't want it to look all like a super white line under your eyebrow. So I try to blend it downwards, like towards my eyelids, and just blend until it looks smooth and neat. And watch me dance. And it is lash time. Ooh, get it girl. So, okay, stop dancing. So I use the Kiss lashes. Ignore the swatch that I have on there. Wow, okay. And I use the Kiss lashes in the number 11. They're so natural and cute. And I'm going to throw the box because it's empty. And then I use the Kish lash glue in black because I like using the black one. Why? I do not know. It's bomb though. Really bomb. And put them lashes on, girl. I had to do it off camera because I'm not that good at putting on lashes. I don't think you guys want to watch me do it. So yeah. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Cosmetics again. So I just put it all under my eyes, and then I go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Pro in the shade 108. It works really well, and it just takes away from the light color from Tarte. Tarte's pretty, that color that I got was pretty light, so I just used the L'Oreal to darken it up a little bit, and then I go in with a sponge and blend it out, girl. Whatever is left over on the sponge, I take it and I blend it like towards my chin. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and this is the MAC mascara. My sister gave it to me, don't know what it's called. I'll try to find it on their website and link it down below, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom eyelashes, and yeah. And then I'm going to go in with my other mascara. This is my OG mascara. I've been using this since high school. It's the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes, and it works amazingly. So guys, I lost my highlighter, so I'm taking this little, I don't know, it's an eyeshadow palette that I got and using that as my highlighter today because they have this really shiny one in there, so I used that. So, and then add that lip gloss. Girl, you need that lip gloss. Yeah, girl. So add some lip gloss and that will complete your look. I love lip gloss. I don't really like doing colored lips because my lips are just, I don't know, they just don't look cute with color on them. I just like them to look glossy. So I am going to do something with this hair because, girl, it gots to go. Just stop dancing. Just fix your hair, please. Oh, thank God, you look normal. Yes. So, that's the complete look. And girl, you are looking bomb. Okay, guys. So, this is my finished look. I know it's really simple. I don't really do much for my everyday makeup routine, but I do this like even when I like get like dressed up to go out. I do the exact same thing because I don't really know how to like do anything special with makeup too much. I do this exact same makeup look every time because I don't know how to do anything like as far as like eyeshadow and like stuff like that. The most I can probably do is like put on like winged eyeliner. I did that for the Ariana Grande concert, but that's like the most that I can do. And there's a effing spider on this window. Just killed it. So like the most I'll do is this. Like I did eyelashes and do my eyebrows and then conceal under my eyes. That's really all I do. That's really all I know how to do. But if you guys want any other videos, let me know. But yeah, so basically that's all I do, and I will link all the products that I use down below from like the beginning to the end. I didn't really use anything that was high-end. The only high-end thing that I used was probably the Tarte and probably the MAC mascara, and I don't even know how much this cost. It might be kind of pricey, but my sister gave it to me because she went to go get her prom makeup done at MAC, and like they let her take, I don't know, like the stuff she uses, I guess you pay for the stuff that you use, and she gave this to me. And I don't know if it's expensive, but it has like a little brush for your bottom eyelashes, and I don't really like using that one. I like using the big one, and then it has the big one for your top eyelashes. But I don't know if it's expensive, you guys tell me, but I'll link it down below because I use that one. And then the Tarte Shape Tape is a little pricey. It's $30 for this little tube, so I mean, I'll link that down below. But other than that, this is more like a drugstore makeup routine. I mean, that's like all I really do. I don't really use anything high-end. If I do get something high-end, it's really rare. Like, I mean, I think the most expensive thing I got for makeup is the Tarte Shape Tape because I don't really do my makeup that often. And if I do, I just do this, and it's not expensive. So like everything is drugstore, or I've gotten it from the beauty supply store. So I'll just link it down below and let you guys know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, then too bad. Go and watch some more of my videos because you'll love them. But yeah, so if you guys want any more videos like this, please comment down below. And I am actually about to record another video since my makeup's already done. I'm about to record another video for my hair because everybody's been asking about my hair. I love you guys. Bye.